Good morning, happy Tuesday. It is about 8:30. I just got a text from Parker. He's out of town. I think I mentioned that yesterday. If not, he's out of town with one of his daughters. And our contractor is running late. So he's scheduled for 9 o'clock. It's 8:30. He says he'll be 10 minutes late, which according to my contractor calculations, oh, there is a drone in my backyard. That is weird. Not like literally my backyard, but like my neighbor's backyard, like close enough where it feels kind of weird. I wonder if it's one of those drone deliveries. We have those now and they're really creepy. Fun fact, when we bought this house, wow, I forgot how sexy the lighting is on this camera. When we bought this house, we actually saw a robot delivery service. Like it literally looks like a little robot with hands. And we saw him in this neighborhood, and I told Parker, I was like, if that weren't a reason to move here, then I don't know what is. We buy the house, we move in, and they stopped the robot delivery service because I guess people were stealing the robots. It was very disappointing. You know what else is disappointing is that I have a puppy, and she basically runs this house now. Like, she's allowed to do whatever she wants. That's just the vibe. She's allowed to play with whatever she wants. She's allowed to eat whatever she wants. She is the boss of this house. I'm saying that loosely, obviously. I prefer trained dogs, you know, dogs that actually listen, but she is in that teenager phase, which is kind of cute and hilarious. And I also have a son that is a massive, massive sweetheart and sort of a, I hate to say people pleaser because I don't think he's defined there yet. We're working on it. I don't want him to grow up to be a people pleaser, but he's always like, oh, you like it, Rue? Do you want it? So now Rue has completely acquired his entire collection of pickles, Cats versus Pickles, his entire collection of beanitos, his entire collection of dumplings, and a wallet. Apparently, there is not a wallet, and we've tested this theory, that my dog will not steal. Yes, she has an attraction, an affliction. What is that? What would you even describe that? She's a kleptomaniac. If there is a wallet, she will run away with it. It's really weird, right? Because we got her as a baby, so it's not like she's had that much life experience where she could develop bad habits. But she steals wallets. So if I ever invite you to my house, just hide your wallet because my puppy will steal it. So anyway, I am like committed. I am committed to film this. Like, you can't show up to my house, rip a wall out, and then not tell me what's behind it. So I fully intend, I'm the type of person that if there's contractors in my house, I run and hide. Like, I don't want to make their job harder. You know, I don't want them to feel self-conscious. I don't want them to be uncomfortable. I'm just going to give them space so they can work. No, you're not getting any space. You know how much space you're getting? This much space. Because if you're going to cut into my wall that has been leaking a lot, I need to be there to see what's underneath that Christmas wrapping paper. You know what I mean? Like, this is a Christmas present that nobody wants to get. So at the very least, I should be able to see what the present is. You know what I mean? Plus Parker's out of town and he's gonna be like, so what happened? What was it? What did it look like? And I don't wanna have to woman-splain to him. That just made me feel powerful because, you know, it's usually mansplaining. And the last time that the guy was here, he wasn't. And he told me what he was doing. I watched what he was doing. I explained to Parker what he did. And the guy still called Parker and told him in man words what he did. I think I'm still a little bit salty about that. So we have about 30 minutes before Daniel's yes day starts. I told him that the contractor was coming today. He was so cute about it. He's like, it's fine, Mom, no worries. Like, whatever, it doesn't matter. We can get a slow start. I did a little list for them about what they need to have, kind of like a brainstorm, so that we're not caught in the situation where he makes me drive all the way to Dallas and then we're like, now what do we do? So just have a list of options. And I was talking to him last night after I picked him up. I was like, hey, did you think about it? Like, what do you want to do? Like, what's on your mind? What are you thinking? He's like, you know, Mom, I'm just going to see how I wake up. I'm just going to go with the flow. You know, like, I don't know what I'm going to feel like eating tomorrow. And, you know, I kind of have an idea, so I'm just going to roll with it. Whose kid are you? Because neither of us, like neither parent, are this way. You know, like, I like to plan because if I don't have a plan, I get nervous. It's like a control thing because I get anxious, right? So I like to know Like, I want to go with the flow, but I want to know when the flow starts and what I should wear for the flow, and if this outfit is flow appropriate and how long the flow is gonna last. You know what I mean? Like, it just, it calms me down. So I don't know where my go with the flow baby came from, but I'm really proud of him. That's just a true testament at how undamaged he is yet. I hope. Anyway, I have to go get the boys ready. Not really get the boys ready, make sure they're on top of things and getting stuff ready. But I wanted to start the vlog, so I'm like, hey guys, good morning. Oh, also, by the way, we're cutting out the walls in my house, and this is not, I can't make it up, you guys. Is that our decision for today? Is that what we're going for today? That's our decision? Yeah? Okay, so not only did you destroy my son's toy box, your brother, you decided to nap in the toy box. And just tell your friends. Tell your friends what the whole plan of today is, okay? Tell them, what is your plan? How much more destruction are you bringing to our life today? All right, that's a good start. Look at your sister. You guys need to caption Sophia. Her whole face, like every day at all times, is like literally what Parker's face is every time he's around me. Daniel, Gonzalez, Garcia, Hernandez, Gonzalez, Ramirez. It is your yes day.
You don't have the permit to record me.
What is the first activity you would like to participate in?
Roblox.
Roblox. Oh boy. Shocker. Is anybody shocked? Are you shocked?
No.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
We're gonna have to put our excitement on pause because the plumber is here.
Fudge.
No!
He said fudge.
We charge you just to come and take a look at it.
Be like, bing, right there.
Yeah.
Did he get wet?
No, he left his phone in there.
Oh no! Don't see anything. I don't know. Yes day is not going according to plan. The one good thing is, well, the two good things are, I have two really wonderful little babies that have not complained once. The other good thing is the littlest yes man, the yes day king, asked for mom to make soup for lunch. So, you know, glimmers. So let me show you guys what soup this is. This is like, in a Mexican household, this is like our version of ramen. You know, like the fast, just add water kind of. It's really good. It comes in different shapes. Fideos is like the little noodles. Then there's stars, letters. I just get whatever the store has and do it with chicken broth and just some flour tortillas. I think Mateo wants quesadillas, so we'll add some cheese. If you guys shop at your Walmarts, the best cheese combo for quesadillas at home on flour tortillas. Oh my gosh, so yummy. But that's the update. They're thinking that the plumbing is leaking from the slab. So like not the above ground plumbing, the underground plumbing, which means they have to dig under our home to fix it. I don't know if I buy it, but I have been mansplained about 36.5 times. Is your husband here? Will he be here soon? When will your husband be here? If you see me in an orange jumpsuit on the news, mind your business. Bail me out also.
What are you doing? So busted. Are you pickpocketing again? She's like, I don't know what you're talking about. I didn't know such thing. Oh my gosh. Rupert, give me that. Give me that, Rupert. Rupert. Drop the wallet. Drop the wallet, Rupert. Get your wallet. Get your wallet, buddy. She's pickpocketing.
You know the saying, make plans and God laughs at you? Or how does it go? You know what I'm talking about? So we're just sitting here playing Roblox after lunch, and we hear a knock at the door, and I was like, why aren't they just letting themselves in? They've been all morning since, 9 o'clock. It's been 4 hours now. It was Daniel's little friend from school. He had like 4 different vacations that he went on, so they haven't seen each other. He was here, so he just took him. So there goes our guest day. Those are my plans. That's the update. And this too. Look at that. Are you up to no good? Is that my phone? Is she eating my phone? She's eating my phone. Send help.